What's up, my pugnos? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over a dash cam solution here that's great for your vehicle, for work, for ride share, commute, or just to have for the family car. This is a 4K Ultra HD dash cam from the folks at FitCamX. Easy to integrate with Wi-Fi connection, loop recording, HDR, dynamic range, and is a perfect fit connecting to your rear view mirror, integrate into your lifestyle. Check the description here for your car make and model compatibility. I will be installing this here on my Nissan Murano. With that said, the folks at FitCamX did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Let's unbox this and then install it on my dash to show you what you get yourself into. FitCamX makes awesome dash cams here. This is their 4K version. Very easy to be able to set up and install. We'll show you what it all comes with. This is gonna fit my car specifically, which is a Nissan Murano. Here's your accessories, your USB cables and connections. It even has the tool to be able to fit it, as well as the camera unit itself. On my car, there's a specific plug that we're gonna be connecting into that's gonna allow me to be able to still have the functions of my rear view mirror, but also to be able to split power and connect the cam itself, allowing you to be able to grip your phone here to your dashboard if you want. You've got your tools. You got a USB adapter here that can connect your SD card or micro SD card that's provided. And then we have the dash cam itself that is going to integrate and connect here on the back side of my rear view mirror, being able to connect directly with the splitter. Here's the dash camera, 4K camera. Here are some of the buttons here for operating it, power, and taking a picture. You've got your SD card, and then it's got Wi-Fi integration here for you to be able to connect through your phone. Hey guys, we're here on location. I'm in my Nissan Murano 2017. Now we're gonna go ahead on the rear view mirror. We're gonna mount the plate and also power it on using the splitter that's provided. Okay, let's go ahead and mount it here. You've got this screw anchor point on the rear view mirror. Make sure that you check and see in the description if yours is compatible. Mine is. We're gonna go ahead and mount the mounting plate here by unscrewing that and placing this right here where the dash cam is going to sit. And then we can go ahead and mount the unit. The screw here is actually a little bit longer, allowing you to be able to mount it. So we're gonna go ahead and place the screw through the mount. Pretty straightforward to mount it. What I like here is it has some cushions on the back side there, so when it's up against the windshield, it's not going to put any extra pressure. Then you tighten it here and it's going to tighten the rear view mirror back into place. We're gonna go ahead and power off the vehicle, and now we're gonna go ahead and disconnect power from the rear view mirror. Okay, now we're ready to install the dash cam here. We've gone ahead and taken off the 8-pin. You can see here, you take it off by this little clip here on the top. I am installing this on a Nissan Murano. So what we need to do first here is we need to connect it to the splitter. This is gonna be a power split. So we're gonna go ahead and feed power from the unit into the splitter. And then this is obviously the power port for the camera. And then this is gonna go back into the rear view mirror. It snaps there into place. Really easy to be able to do. You're going to align these pins here. Very straightforward. They're gonna have a little click, and now it's clicked. Now we can go ahead and mount it to the mount. Here's the mount. It's just gonna press fit in there just like that. Snaps right into place. The cables here you can kind of tuck away if you'd like. Otherwise, we're all set to go. Here's what the dash cam looks like here when it's operating. Kind of just floats there, and you still have full functionality of your rear view mirror without impeding any of the cables or losing power or function to your device. Let's go ahead now and connect to the app and show you now that it's completely set up, what it looks like with the integrated app for video monitoring and downloading. All right, from the App Store here, we're going to get the FitCamX app. Okay, we can go ahead now, and from the FitCamX app, we're gonna go ahead and add a device. We've connected to the Wi-Fi of the camera using the instructions here. After we've done permissions, we can go ahead now and connect to the FitCamX. You can see here, it's got a nice field of view directly. It's a direct feed of the camera. You can see the dashboard, which is really nice, and you can see above and below normally than you would. We can download files from here if we want to. There's a number of camera settings here that we can do, including turning sound on, which way I want to. You can pick your video resolution if you don't necessarily want 4K. We can do loop recording, exposure, timestamp, which is fine. You can do drive collision sensitivity, parking monitoring if you want, and then you just go about your day. Here's some footage directly from the device as I'm driving and commuting from home to work. We got some footage on the road here. You can see the Wasatch Mountains, and as I'm driving, it's nice and stable. You got the full dashboard, bottom of the windshield all the way to the top. It's clear, it's an HD, and it's easy to be able to add to your commute, your travels, or your vlogs. With that said, FitCamX makes really easy to install and integrated HD cameras. This is just the front camera here that fits on the rear view mirror. They have solutions to include a rear view camera if that's something you're interested as well. With that said, the folks at FitCamX did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.